first activity that we're going to do this morning, it's a fun activity. It gets us up out of our seats. It also gets us thinking about why change can be difficult. It can be fun. It can be exciting. Makes you think a little bit about how ready you are for change. So in this activity, you are going to work in pairs. So find a partner and stand up and get ready to assess your personal readiness for change. Once you've found your partner and you're 18 inches apart, I would like you to pause for a moment and really look at the person's appearance. Take in what your partner looks like. Okay. Now, please turn back to back and change 5 things about your appearance. I'll give you an example, like move your watch from one side to the other, those sorts of things. 5 things about your appearance while you're back to back with your partner. Okay, great. Now that you've changed your 5 things, turn around, face your partner, and see if you can identify what you've both changed. Sit down. Change back and sit down. It isn't easy to make all those changes at once, is it? So, that activity, it really does show us a lot about change, especially when you're asked to make a lot of change very quickly. You feel the stress, you feel the strain, you feel your mind racing. How am I going to do this? Companies frequently attempt to institute large-scale change, right? We've all been through that here and at other organizations. And sometimes those changes don't yield the results. They don't come along fast enough. They're harder than we think. They cost more than we think. Sometimes you put a lot of effort into it and things just don't turn out as planned. There's a lot of research that has been done as to why that happens, some of it done by Blanchard, some of it done by other organizations. And as it turns out, there really are predictable reasons why change fails. Now that's really good news for us, because if you know that these things can happen, you can take steps and employ strategies that will help you to minimize those things.